Hi everyone! I spent a few evenings gathered some of my old clothes that I think they don't match me and I think they don't fit me. I will donate those clothes to Goodwill. So let me share with you guys what are those clothes. This video might be super long. This one is like a Christmas dress and it's got ginger print on it. I think it has too much details on this dress and it won't fit me, and this one is very big, so I don't think I will need this too much details. And there is a sweater because I have so many sweaters, so I just don't want it. This sweater is actually pretty comfortable, and this is a plain black dress. I have one dress that's very similar to this, so I don't need this anymore. This one is like a sleeping dress. The fabric is not as soft as my other sleeping dress, so I don't need this. And there's more Christmas dress. I don't think I will wear this next Christmas. I would like to wear something less details but cute. I think the print is just too many details. And there is more Christmas dress that I don't think I would wear this pretty skirt. I have one that has better quality than this, so I don't need this one. Here's the swimming wear. I have too many swimming wears, so I don't need it. And it's too red. The reason I don't want this is because the fabric is very easy to get wrinkled, not easy to take care of, so I don't need it. Here's another pretty skirt. I don't need this one because I have one that has better quality than this and it's got color on it and I can't wash it off. It's still a cute skirt, so there's another pretty skirt. I don't really like the shade of the pink, it's too pink, so I don't need that. And this one is a swimming suit, the top of a swimming suit. I have too many swimming suits, so I don't need this. And there is more swimming suit. I don't need it. I have a lot of swimming suit. And this dress doesn't work on me. It feels like too much details in the front. I don't really like that style. I don't like the color now. Even though it's plaid, I don't think the color looks good on me, so I don't need it. So I think it looks too big. The shape of this dress is like too puffy for me, so I don't need it. And also this blouse has no shape. It's just one piece, another piece. It just has no shape, and when I wear it, it just make my top look like puffy. And there's some headbands that I don't need. And this is actually the one I transformed. I should keep it. I still kind of like it. I'll keep this one. Should I keep this? This is actually kind of look cute, right? Maybe it doesn't suit me anymore. Oh, okay. I don't need it. I could wear something better than this. For example, this t-shirt. This is simply cute. This one has too much cartoons. Yes. This is the winter pajamas. It's still in pretty good shape. Yes, I'll keep this. Should I keep this or not? Hard to decide. It's still pretty cute, right? Okay, I will keep it for now. And this one, it's a long, very long pink dress. The reason I don't want this because when I wear this, those ruffles are backwards, going up. So it doesn't make the dress outstanding, even the dress is pink. And this is a red shirt. I just don't think that this pattern and color look good on me. It's fine, but I could wear something better, right? So now this one and this one is just a carrot t-shirt because I have too many t-shirts, so I don't need this one. This one is a plain blouse, even though it's looking not bad, but the fabric is not very soft, so I don't need it. Black suspender skirt, it just doesn't fit me. It's a little bit too big. A swimming wear bra, It looks fine in the video, but in the real life, the bright colors just don't suit me, and this one is very bright. Gray pullover. It's actually pretty cute. So it's got hearts, and it's got the bunning patch on the sleeves. And I don't like this one because when I reach something, it doesn't cover my waist in winter time, and I feel cold around my waist. Too short for me. And another sweater, I removed the sleeves. I liked this before, but I think I could find something that's better than this. And this is a gray dress. I think I look better in other colors than gray. Look, this is a gray and white t-shirt. Gray, white t-shirts, and white t-shirts look better, right? So I don't need it. Here is the purple sweater. I don't like the flower on it. If it's a plain sweater, I would like it more. I have too many clothes. I don't think I'll have a chance to wear this. And there is a bra that I don't wear. I don't think I need it. Gray vest. Is there any chance I can wear it? It's pretty cute, right? It is pretty cute. I could wear it in winter time. I will keep this. Oh, and this is just another t-shirt. I have too many t-shirts. I can't have this. I have too many t-shirts. There is more gray blouse. I just think it's very hard to pull out this color. There's another cat t-shirt. Too short, so I don't need it. This one is not bad, right? Okay, maybe not. I have too many clothes. This is a red blouse. It is too red. I don't think I look good in it. Too red. And here is a dress. It's actually pretty good quality, but I feels like this is not my style. Do you think? I feel like the pattern is too big, and this dress is very long. I feel like this style is out of date. It is very thick fabric, but I don't need it. Here is a pink skirt. I think the color is a bit too light. The cotton is very easy to get wrinkle, so I don't really need it. No matter how long I iron it, it'll still get wrinkles. So, and here is a blue. It looks not bad, right? I feel it has too much lace in the front. Not kind of girl can pull off this style. This kind of dress will look super pretty on a extremely beautiful girl, because I'm not perfect. I'm not extremely beautiful. So this dress doesn't really suit me. I feel too much lace in the front. Do you think too much lace? Should I keep it or not? No. I actually really like this dress, but it doesn't fit me. Some more pajamas. This one is actually very cute, but I think other color better than this color on me. Pink and white. Blue, pink and white. The simple ones look better, right? Too many patterns and too many cartoons. So this is a jacket. This color is actually not look good on me, so don't need it. This dress is actually have very interesting design. This is low in the front and long in the back. The dark color is actually not looking good on me. More super bright colors. Super bright colors doesn't suit me. Purse, I just think it doesn't suit me. Too cartoon, so that suits me. And here is a skirt. I have some skirt that's similar to this, so I don't need to have this. The pattern is too many patterns. I don't like clothes has too many patterns. The pattern is too busy. It is pretty cute, right? I don't even remember when was the last time I wore this one, but it looks like I haven't worn this for over a year. No, I think too many patterns clothing don't suit me. I think it's better to wear like lighter color. This one is a Pokemon pullover. It don't suit me. It's really cool pull over, but I don't think this is my style. And there comes more Christmas dress. The pattern not looking good. Or I think the pattern is too busy. I don't like it. Here's the t-shirt, looking not bad. You can tie a bow in the front. This is like a navy style. I don't need it. I have too many t-shirts. I have something similar to this, so I don't need this one. The ice cream t-shirt is looking fine, but I don't need it. I don't think I would ever wear it again. Complicated top. Very sexy top. This is the shoulder part. It's a very creative design, but I don't think I could wear it outside, so don't need it. So I will not keep the clothes if I don't need it or if I don't use it. It's looking not bad, but too many flowers in the front. You have seen me wear this pants. It is very cool pants. It's got the lace part, so it's not comfortable around that part. Otherwise, this is actually pretty cool pants. I should keep it. I should keep it. This one is also a Christmas skirt. Should I keep this one? No, I think I'll wear something different next year. This Christmas, not next year. Wow, time goes so fast. Christmas is in 6 months. I can't believe half a year is gone. This is a white dress. I think it's too wide around the shoulder part, so it doesn't fit me. I don't need it. There are more. And here is a cherry pullover. Could wear it in the winter time at home. Should I keep this? And this is simple, right? Yes, I'll keep this one. I think I can still wear it in the winter time at home, right? It's pretty comfortable. This one is Galaxy pants. It is pretty cool pants. The color doesn't fit me. And here's another shirt, and it's too wide around the shoulder part. It doesn't fit me very well, so I don't need this. Plaid skirt. I have a better plaid skirt than this, so I don't need it. This one is actually not bad, right? I could still wear it. This dress is not outstanding. It fits me, right? I will think about it. What is this? Oh, this is like a top. It's looking not bad, but I don't think I need it, so don't need. A black dress, but this one is too big. The cup is too big for me, so it doesn't fit me, this dress. Don't need. And here's another black dress. It's same issue. The front part is too big. It doesn't suit me at all. This is a white sweater. I have a lot of white sweaters, so I don't need this one. Too many white sweaters. Not this one. This is a lace black dress. It is actually a pretty nice dress, but too much lace in the front. Only extremely beautiful girl can wear this. This is a Christmas dress I wore last year. I don't think I'll wear this again. I think I'll wear something else different. And for this year, here's the lace dress. It is actually pretty nice lace dress. I have a lot of lace dresses, so I don't need this. This one is pretty good quality, but I don't need it. I have too many options. I have some blouse that's similar to this one, and this one is a little bit yellowish. I have some other clothes better than this. Should I keep it? Should I keep it? Yeah, I have something similar to this. No, I don't need it. Don't need this. Here's some more gray dress. I just think I could wear something that has different colors, not gray. Looks like I'm not keeping any gray dresses. Yeah, no need. No need. And here is a white shirt. I actually can wear this at home, right? No. I have too many white shirts. No, I don't need this. So here's a more white blouse. I have, this one. I really like this one. It has like small ruffles in the front. I have better blouse than this. I really like the design of this blouse, but it's just getting too old. Should I keep this one? This one is actually, I can still wear this one, right? I'm keeping this one. Should I keep this or not? It's hard to decide. Should I keep this or not? Yes, I'm keeping this. I'm still debating myself if keep it or not. Yeah, maybe I don't need this one. I have some, I don't need it. And this one is actually not bad, but the color doesn't look good on me, right? I think the warm color suit me better. This one is like cool color, doesn't suit me. So no. It is very hard to get rid of some clothes, but I need to. And some of those are outdated and don't fit me, not looking good on me, so I need to make up my mind. And here's another one. It has some stain on it and I can't wash it off. And here is the meow. The meow is not white, it's yellowish, so no need. I like to wear color blacks that has very like unique styles, not just a simple pull over. Let's see how many clothes we got. Thank you so much for watching the video. I think I still have like 10% clothes that don't suit me, but I don't want to get rid of it yet. I'm still holding it. I'll keep reducing the amount of clothes I have, and also I need to get some good clothes. I think I have only like 15 to 20% good clothes, and other clothes just like super casual and not high quality. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye bye.